Good morning. How y'all doing today? It's been a while since I made a video. So we're gonna try to, I'm having issues on my truck. Every time I put on the power divider on the lockout, it's throwing air out my differential. It's a quick, easy fix. We're gonna try to fix it. It's usually on the lockout end, the little piston, I have a gasket or a rubber seal. I'm gonna show you how to take it out, put it back in, and check it out. So you can hear it blowing air out that breather. It's usually this. We'll take it apart to have a little O-ring in there. That's usually letting the pressure go in. It's not letting it seal right. So we'll go ahead and try to pull that out, take it off, go get it. They got a little rebuild kit, or maybe see, just check the O-ring if it's bad. If it's bad, we'll just swap the O-ring. All it is a little 5/8 wrench. Pull these bolts out. Wipe it down. That's what usually goes bad with this stuff right here. I just run to the gear store and go find these parts. So we made it right here. It's Northwest Drivetrain Services. They said, well, all your parts right here off of 529 in Houston, Texas. So if y'all need anything, y'all come out here and check them out. Alright, this is the part. This is the O-ring you need. It's for this kind of setup. You can tell the big difference. See how this O-ring's all small and blown out. Go ahead and swap it out. Clean everything up. It's all nice and smooth, cleaned up. So we're gonna go ahead and put the new O-ring on this and then start putting it all back together. That board goes in first. Sits in there. Kind of tell the big difference on it. This one's already thinned out. Bigger one. That one's gonna sit in here. Just roll it over. Fits right in there. The old ring, put it on the side. Go ahead and gauge it. Give it differential lock. Come back here and check it out. No more air leaks. The thing is hooked. It's running. Little $6 fix, $7 fix. Quick. So if you're out there anywhere, there's usually O-ring that goes bad. I'll put the part number and everything. Like I said, quick little fix. Nothing, it takes no time. A little side, sometimes all it is a gasket, a $7 gasket. O-ring, my bad, O-ring. You can do that, knock it out, go to the part. Mechanic gonna charge you probably 60, 80 bucks to put it in. Usually you don't, they sell the kit. It's 115 bucks, everything here, you don't really need it. Usually it's the O-ring that goes bad. You'll be able to use the differential. And you're good to go. Like I said, thank you for watching. Y'all like, subscribe. I'm gonna try to get some more video going. I think the next thing I'll be doing is putting some lollipop lights on the truck. And I'll be doing that and probably removing these little wind deflectors. The wind deflectors on it. Taking these off and later installing some lights. Putting the lights up here But I want to sand it first and get it primered up, and then primer to seal it, and then put the lights before I paint them. So thank y'all for watching. Like, subscribe. Little DIY video, y'all who side of the road that y'all can fix it. Something simple. This is called a ds402 on a 370 gear. Quick fix. Save you some bucks. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.